And what we are proposing that's akin to automation is you identify and utilize experts. That's it. Now, what is the problem? And this is something that many people have a difficult time coming to grips with. But if you ask them, look in your environment, in your organization, can you tell me that this is not true? And what it is the people who think like a computer, are they in the majority or the minority? And the people who think, who can't see, because that's what thinking is. You only think when you can't see into the future. You want to maximize the amount of information. You want to maximize the need for collaboration. You want to maximize all the things that should not be done on efficient projects. This is a natural law. This is in every organization. This is in every sector of society. This is in every industry. And we've gone now in all the different cultures. And we've seen that this is accurate. Yes. What we're actually pitching is automation of the project management. And what is the automation? Is to identify and utilize expertise. Now, once again, and this is a change of paradigm. What is an expert? We have been testing this out now for 30 years. An expert is someone who can tell you the difference between what's on their project and what's on other people's projects. They can tell you the difference between what they will do on a future project and what they have done in the past. They can tell you the difference between what they do and what other project managers do. They can tell you the difference. And they can do it simply by using metrics. They can see into the future. If you have an expert project manager, you need to actually give him less information about your project because he's an expert. He can come walking on your project site in your culture and your environment if you're a client, and he can tell you exactly what's going on. He doesn't need somebody giving him an hour presentation on what's going on in your organization. And he makes things simple because a true expert looks around at all the stakeholders he has to work with and will immediately identify that the majority of these stakeholders are not experts. And therefore, they cannot understand what the expert can understand. And he must simplify it as simple as someone who doesn't understand what he's doing so that they can see what's going on. This is an expert. This has never failed us. If we have interviewed 50 people, we can identify out of the 50 within 10 minutes which one is the expert and which one is not. And out of the 50, we may be lucky to find one expert. They are not the majority in our society.